Here are my top 10 essential tools for your survival kit. Stay tuned to number 10 because it might surprise you. Alrighty, so starting off with number 1, you need a good backpack. Here I have a Canon backpack. It's got a lot of straps, compartments, all sorts of stuff like that. So just an overall a great backpack is something to start off with. Number 2, shed knives. Just a great fixed blade here. All the models shown use CPM 154 steel along with G10 scales. These are just some really heavy duty knives that come with Kydex sheaths and just are overall great outdoors knives. So you can check those out at the link below. Number 3, an MRE or some type of food source. You can never go wrong with a meal in your bag, so make sure to pack one of those away. Moving on to number 4, you can't go wrong with a pair of gloves. Here I have a pair of black mechanics gloves. I carry these all over the place. I have several pairs, so they work really well. And just like point number 5 here, a flashlight. You want a flashlight because, once again, you just can't go wrong with it. It's an essential. You never know. You might be caught in the dark, whether it's an early morning camping trip or you get stuck late in the evening. Flashlight will always be there to help. Number 6, tape. Tape can be used for all sorts of things, whether it's building shelter or even just repairing whatever. Number 6, tape is an essential. Moving on to number 7 here, we have a sharpening stone. There's nothing worse than having a dull knife in the field, so a sharpening stone can help fix that. Number 8, 550 cord. This is just a given. Of course, have more rope than what's shown. It's just an example. Number 9, a water bottle. Water is an essential of life, so why not bring water with you on any trip? I mean, seriously, you gotta have a water bottle of some sort, and here I have a military canteen. Finally, number 10, we have fire starting material. What might surprise you is dryer lint. That stuff actually lights quite fast. Just fluff it up a little bit, and I have some waterproof matches in there, and it'll light that stuff right up. I also have some other matches, just something easy, something quick, stowed away in a Ziploc bag. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Check out Shed Knives at the link on the screen and in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.